Today we're here to find out the answer to a question nobody asked, and that is, can I make a balloon dragon just as good as the balloon lady off Bob's Burgers? We love Bob. What's not to love about him? On a recent episode, Jade in the Shade, there was a balloon lady and she created a stunning balloon dragon. It looked like this, the dragon that she made, and this. So these are going to be my inspiration pictures. This is definitely not your ordinary animated balloons. This is got attention to detail. If you saw something like this in real life, that is indeed visually stunning. Alright, so let's go. These are the colours I'm going to be using, and I think they're a pretty good match. What do you think? Oh. Again. This is not going to be enough. Okay, no, I have some more. I thought that was the last one. Put it aside for a moment. Looking at the construction of the head, I think I know what's going on, but I can't fully see all of it, so I'm just going to do what I think seems right. At least I'm weeding out the balloons that will make me look like a bad twister when they will keep popping in front of the client. No! I think I've got a balloon in my car that's going to help. Give me a minute. Earlier today, I just saw this in my car randomly floating and I remembered it was goldenrod. I feel like the balloon lady in the show most probably just used 260s, but I've got a few more balloons in my bag, so is that 1 point me? I don't know, but I do know I need this balloon. I'll save this. No, I won't. What I am a bit worried about is I do not have enough balloons. I have some in my spares. I actually found the bag I was looking for. Whether they're as weak as the ones in my bag, we're gonna find out. Despite their age, that's done a lot better than those others. Okay, but how long do I need to make it? She's got 11 links. How are we going? I've got 7. We're nearly done. It's just the legs and I'm so proud of myself right now. If you're a balloon twister, you know those physics aren't quite possible. We're going a different creative route. This is all but finished, but there is an extra part to the Bob's Burgers balloon. I'm just going to add it for art's sake, but it's not going to be functional, it's just going to be aesthetic. I'm ready to show you, and you're going to have to let me know, did I do as good as the balloon lady from Bob's Burgers? So I brought you outside with me so you can see the true majesty of this balloon. Are you ready? Okay, I guess that's enough admiring of him. Let's go back inside. This is probably one of the biggest things I've made in a while, and I am kind of obsessed. Like, I had no idea how much I would think it was cool. No wonder they fell for it on the show. It's amazing. But make sure you leave the comment below. Let me know, did I win? Is this balloon as good as the ladies on Bob's Burgers, or was it a tie? Like, let me know. I need to hear. Thank you for joining me on this video, and as always, thank you for helping me to put a positive twist into your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.